I think those mathematical structures are there outside of time, and therefore don't need a moment of going sui generis, they're going from something to nothing. It doesn't make sense to talk about when there wasn't a prime number, the property of 17, or when there wasn't number, or when there wasn't geometric structures. They are just timeless. And so that, for me, is what gives you the chance to perhaps do something cosmological or even theological, which is, explain why there is something rather than nothing. You see, I would say that what we have around us is that we are a physicalized piece of mathematics. Now, I must admit, I can't explain how that physicalization happens, so that's the sort of missing link. But, I think that what we see around us, why we are constantly discovering mathematical structures at the base of how the universe works. I mean, take the fundamental particles. It's absolutely kind of magical. In the 50s and 60s, we're starting to discover there isn't just an electron, a proton, and a neutron. There are just all of these things, muons coming in, proton divides up into quarks. And yet, that period, a lot of physicists are saying, oh my gosh, I didn't sign up to this subject becoming like biology, that we're just collecting butterflies, lots of very different particles. Suddenly they all actually became part of a beautiful symmetrical object that lives in very high dimensional space, which you were able to make predictions about other particles. So, but it isn't magic, it's mathematics. Mathematics is what kind of glues all of this stuff together.